Hello everyone, I'm Chang, and once again, we're back with another video which we will be doing a dark feminine makeup in soft features. To be honest, this is a challenge for me because as someone who has soft features, I barely do this kind of makeup looks. So I'm not actually sure what I am doing today, but I have an inspo here. We are not going to totally recreate this makeup look, but this is just a guide. So let's start. So I've already done my skincare and I want a bit of hydration on my skin. I'll be using this Medicube Mist. Never ever forget to prep your skin before doing your makeup. For the lenses, I am using an enlarging lenses because as you can see, my pupils are small while my eyes are big and rounded. It's enlarging but it still looks natural. As always, color correcting first for the base. Then a cushion, so this is from Parnell in the shade 24N. Never forget to tap off the excess product. So every time I use a cushion, I always apply it first on the outer side of my face first, then blending it inwards because we will still put a concealer on the middle part of our face. This is to prevent a large amount of products layered on our skin, which can cause your makeup to be cakey or patchy. So I really love this cushion because it gives that glow but it also sets fast on the skin. Next, concealer. Next, we are going for the brows, which we will do a dark brows. So I don't have any brow powder, so I'll just use this dark brown shade. Then I'm just gonna fill in the sparse area. Gonna extend it a bit and then blending it inwards. Again, fill in first the sparse areas and then blend inward. Next, for the eyeshadow, I'll use this light pink shade here to blend all over my lids. And fill in your lids and then blend all over. So it's a dark feminine makeup, but we will leave a hint of pink in this makeup look. Also apply on the lower lids. Now get a darker shade, which the shade I'll be using. Then apply it on your outer corners. Now I kind of want to make my eyes look lifted. This time we will do a black eyeshadow. This is very pigmented, by the way. Since I have like rounder eyes, this will be quite a challenge for me. So if you're struggling in doing your eyeliner, start first on the outer edge of your eyes. Now after you do that, always just look straight. We don't want to turn our heads onto any sides just to get our eyeliners done because it can actually make your eyeliner look more uneven. On the end part, that is where we're gonna lift the eye. Just look straight onto your mirror and then draw it a bit upwards. Now connect it towards the line you just drew. So I like using very thin eyeliners like this so you can get much of the details. Now get a very fluffy brush. Blend the eyeshadow into the liner to make it look more natural again. Now using the slanted brush we used earlier, now we'll place it on this area. I think that's good. I don't really know what I'm doing. Next, aegyosal. I always do my aegyosal because it kind of enhances my eye. We're not emphasizing it a lot. We just want some under eye fat. See how aegyosal makes a difference on your makeup. Next, I'll be using Fox Cluster Lashes. So there are a lot of cluster lashes in the market, so you can get one that is suitable or the ones that you like. I'll use this to make my eyes look more lifted. So for the contour, we're gonna make it look more pointy. We are not going to do a C-shape contour. Instead, we will just drag down the contour. Then straight downwards. Then blend everything together. Now for the blush, I wanna use a muted blush like this. Since this is a low saturated blush, this should be applied on the center of your cheeks first. Now for a darker shade of blush, I'll use this. This time, we're going to apply it on this part of our cheeks. Put some on the nose and on the chin. Of course, we will never forget matte highlighting. Put it on the inner corners, blend it downwards. Then for the lips, I have two-tone lips, so I'll use this. This is like a concealer for me because look at that. the shade doesn't work for me. But I use this as a base shade. So the focal point of our makeup is our eyes, so we'll make the lips more or less noticeable. Then I'll use this pudding pot from Fee. Just use my fingertips. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have another makeup suggestions, just comment down below. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell for you to be notified. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.